Okay guys, this is a pretty important one. Stay tuned to find out why. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, please consider subscribing and leaving a like on this video. Anyway, the main reason we're all here. I got a parcel from CGC today. I sent this through a company called Scott's Collectibles here in the UK about 5 months ago, I believe. It was right at the very end of March, like the 29th of March, I believe it was. Now, the reason these books are so important to me is because it was the first books that I've ever cleaned and pressed myself and then sent to CGC. So I'm hoping that they at least come back as blue labels. Fingers crossed. With one of the books I did have, and I still do have, quite a worry that it may come back as purple. And it's nothing to do with restoration in a sense. It's more to do with the fact that I think I might have over cleaned it. From what I can recall, when I cleaned it and when I was packaging the books up, I noticed a slight bit of streaking on one of the books. That's normally if you rub a little too hard, a bit too abrasive with the cleaning pads. I've got a few videos showing how I clean and press books, so you can go back and watch those on the channel if you'd like. I've actually improved since I sent these books, hopefully. So I was going to ask my girlfriend to open this box first and cover the grades with some tape and things so I didn't see it. But the package has been sat there all day while I've been working, and I couldn't really wait any longer. So the box is open. I'm going to get into it. If I can help it, I'll try not to look. I've never done this before where you reach in and pull out the book without seeing the grid. Okay, so I think I might have done it. So this is the book that I thought might have been a purple label, and it's not. Thank God. It's one of my grills, so to speak. It's Flash 139, first appearance of Reverse Flash. Wish me luck. Wow. I'm really happy with that. It's not the highest of grade books. It had some folds and colour breaking pens on the corners. That's not too bad. I was expecting about a 1 or a purple label. So I'm really happy with that one. I've got the second appearance of the Reverse Flash up there. I've got a third appearance in my boxes as well, so that'll be getting a place up on the wall. Right. And the second one is Superman 199. And if you don't know the importance of this book, it's the first time Superman and the Flash actually raced. Can't believe it took them that long, to be honest with you. Looks pretty nice. There is a bit of writing, some initials that I couldn't get off, so it's likely to get hit. 5.5. I'm happy with that. Again, the book wasn't amazing condition. Had a little bit of spine wear and some creases along the spine, but I cleaned it up quite nice. And there's the back. So yeah, I'm really happy with those. Ooh, nearly dropped it. So there we go, guys. My first successful cleaning and pressing submission to CGC. I'm a bit more confident now to submit a few more books that I've been working on. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. If you got this far, again, I appreciate you watching. And again, leave a like and leave a comment down below what you think, how you think my first cleaning and pressing submission went to CGC. I'll probably do a follow-up video at some point with the rest of my books I'm going to be sending, just asking your recommendations, what you think I should send. I want to send about 5, I think. I don't want to send a large submission. But anyway, guys, yeah, thank you very much for watching. Take care.